Adobe on the daily chart. As you can see here, price starting to sell off against that potential area resistance that we mentioned just yesterday. I want to go through this video one more time because we got hardly any views on this. As you can see here, price is trading below that 200 moving average. When this starts to slice through that 200, I pay attention, looking for more downside correction. See right here, we traced below that 200 moving average, came back up to that 200, failed, more downside correction. Now we came down to this new recent pivot low, starting to retrace. If you look at this pullback, clicking from that pivot low, pivot high, pivot low, using my Fibonacci extensions, this is the same dollar amount pullback. Over here I have another one. This is very similar in dollar amount. Price moved to the upside and then proceeded selling to the downside. Zoom in a little bit. It's going to do a few pulls with my FIB retracements. When I make a pull, clicking from that pivot high to pivot low. I also have the 50% retracement overlapping that symmetry resistance. Going to do another pull from that pivot high to pivot low. When I make a pull with this one, I have a 236. So there may be some additional resistance right at this level. Now, we're going to jump down to an hourly chart. On the hourly chart, price is trading nicely below that 200 moving average on the hourly as well. If we're not going to get continued strength to the upside, we may continue to roll over to the downside, right? So this is the plan. I'm expecting and looking to see if this area resistance, potential resistance and hold from here, more downside correction. Now I'm going to look for a trigger on the 15-minute time frame. The way I'm going to do it, I'm going to wait until that 8 moving average crosses it against that 34 moving average. Coming back to the chart, as we can see right here, going to jump on the hourly chart, got some sell-offs. On a 15-minute time frame, we did get that trigger to go short on the downside. So what you can do here, you can position sizing correctly with a put option or do a call credit spread, however you want to do it. I do not recommend just shorting stock. Now, for whatever reason you short this product and the chart starts to go against you, breaks up above this 550, take your small loss, move on to another chart, no big deal. If you'd like to learn how to find high probability setups using Fibonacci analysis, check out my course in the descriptions below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe now, hit that notification button. Our first goal is 1,000 subs. We go over cryptocurrencies as well as US equities. Love to hear from you in the comments area. Talk to you soon.